Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Arbitrum on Trust Wallet. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Trust Wallet application, which of course I have done right here. Now once you launch the app, you're going to be asked to enter either your passcode or your biometrics. After doing that, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage. Now it is interesting to know that Trust Wallet is a secure self-custody crypto wallet supporting 10 million plus assets across 70 plus blockchains, including crypto. You can buy, sell, swap, transfer, and earn cryptocurrencies all in one beautiful space. Doesn't that sound interesting? All right, so now that we're here, let's hop into today's section, how to buy Arbitrum on Trust Wallet. From this homepage, you're going to find crypto, you're going to find NFTs. So ensure it is set to the crypto tab. Now over here, if you cannot find your Arbitrum, go ahead and click on Manage Crypto. Also click on Manage Crypto in the search bar. Go ahead and type Arbitrum. So this is Arbitrum. So toggle this on to enable that, to toggle it on to change to green, which is to enable it. So this Arbitrum, and then Arbitrum Ethereum, we have Arbitrum Ethereum. So let's say Arbitrum. Now click on that, and it's going to take you over here where you have these icons: send, receive, swap, and more. We want to buy, right? So click on more, and you're going to find buy, sell. So select buy. Now in here, you're going to have to select the amount of Arbitrum that you want to buy. So let's say 1,000 Arbitrum. Now you can pay with Google Pay, which is recommended, or with Mercurial. So you can click on that, Google Pay or Mercurial. You can select any of them if you have money there. And after clicking on that, you can now select the buy button. So if you selected Google Pay, you can click on this buy button. I also click on this buy button. It's going to take you right into Google Pay, where you're going to have to connect your Trust Wallet to Google Pay. So after clicking on that, you're going to be able to pay successfully from Google Pay. You're going to be able to purchase your Arbitrum through Google Pay on Trust Wallet. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.